This is Primo, the library's search interface for finding books, articles, ebooks, and other resources in our collection. To begin a search, type in a search term and click Search. Your results page will look like this. In order to utilize Primo to its fullest potential, click Sign In. Select My SUNY Erie Network account. This ensures that any information you choose to save is saved in your account. It also enables you to make requests for resources off campus. As you can see, we have about 400,000 results. You can limit the results of your search by making selections in the Refine Your Results menu along the left-hand side. One common limiter is publication date. You can change this to anything you like. I am going to limit it to things published within the past 10 years. I enter the date range and click Refine. Another common way to limit is by material type. Select Material Type, and as you can see, you can limit it by articles, newspaper articles, books and ebooks, and many more. I'm going to limit by articles. This brought our result number down considerably to about 178,000 results. If I want to save some of the titles to look at later, I click on the push pins to add this item. If I click here on the push pin, it will go to my favorites, and you can see the items that I saved to look at later. In order to determine whether an article is available, open the article's record by clicking on the title. Look or scroll down to where it says View Online and Full Text Availability. Click on the database title. In this case, it is Elsevier Science Direct Journals. From here, you can read the full article online, or you can select to download the PDF, and then you can print or download the article to save to a thumb drive or to send to yourself in an email. Occasionally, instead of a section that says View Online, you will see a section that says How to Get It. It will give you the option to either request the item from another SUNY Erie library or SUNY library, or make a request via interlibrary loan. Please contact a librarian if you need help with any of these options. The same process can be followed to select for the material type books. Books can also be saved to be looked at later, and you can also look within the record to find out where the book is located. You can access Primo and your saved results from both on and off campus. If off campus, you will be asked to sign in using your SUNY Erie username and password. Please contact the library with any questions you may have about using Primo.